Hello and welcome back. It's Niles again. In this video, we'll continue from our last episode on focus on tile editor. We'll build ourselves a really basic map to work in game. So far, I'm in the Radiant basic tile set. If you want to work with die basic, it's pretty simple. Let's first go far away from the map. Go to selection tool, and I'm gonna hold the middle mouse and drag to create a lasso like that. Then I'll go to the current tile set and select die basic and press Shift C to apply. That's it. I prefer work with the Radiant, so I'm going to Ctrl Z to undo back to my Radiant tile set. Okay, so the next few seconds I'm going to speed up to show my progress building a really simple scene based on my imagination. Just a river with some trees and some mountains from far away. Let's go ahead and do that. Looks good to me. So now I want to test it in game. Let's first save it. Then go to File, Build Map, or press F9. Now if I click Build, there will be a warning that says that we don't have some basic entities. Let's fix that. So now I'm gonna drag this lower window up, and I also on the left window panel as well. Go to the prefab tab, and you can see there is a basic entity.vmap. Let's drag it and put it somewhere on the map like me. Okay, drag this down, save again, go to File, Build Map, and Build. You may notice that the pre-game time is a bit slow. We will fix it later. So now we're in game. Let's look around to see there's a cliff up right here. There's a river flow to the far distance away. Great. I want my hero to spawn on the cliff rather than where he's currently spawned on the ground like this. And the second thing is, I think I'm gonna disable some fog of war so we can see the details we have built. Let's head back to Hammer. Now first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click on the prefab, select the prefab and collapse. Now our prefab has been broken down to many entities and objects. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the group hierarchy, look for the first info player start good guys there. Then I'm gonna go to the selection tool. Translation tool. Yeah. So to put it just right above the cliff. This will make the heroes to spawn up here. All right. He will look to the beautiful scenery in front of his eyes. All right. So the next one is go to the entity tool or Shift E. Search for custom, Dota custom game events. Click it and select any one of the scene to spawn it. Now you can double click. There's many property, but I'm gonna focus on the hero selection time Let's set it to 0. Also the pre-game time and the post-game time, both to 0 as well. Okay, now scroll down a bit, look for, there, disable fog of war. Let's take it, this will disable the fog. And let's first select a hero. I'm gonna go with anti-mage. You can go with any hero you like. Cool, let's close it. Now I'm gonna save and go to File and Build Map again. Let's go. Now you can notice that how fast we get into the in-game. And our hero has been spawned on the cliff. Yay! Also, the fog has been disabled. You feel free to examine any detail on the map. Press I to switch to the perspective view and enjoy the scenery. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. There's many terms related to entities, but don't worry, it will be covered in my upcoming sessions. So if you enjoy this video, hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you around.